Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your environment. Use a trusted device and close unnecessary apps. Once done, open the World app and navigate to Wallet, then Import. You will paste the raw private key, that 64-character hex string, into the private key field. Make sure not to expose it on screenshots or cloud clipboard. This is the one way to access that exact account, so accuracy matters. After pasting, review the on-screen address that appears before continuing. You now verify and configure access. Check that the shown public address equals the address you expect, because a wrong key yields a different account. Next, set a strong local password that the World app will use to encrypt the key. This protects it from local theft. You can then add a passphrase or enable biometric lock for quicker, safer access. Once set, the app stores an encrypted copy. Remember that losing the private key means permanent loss of access. Finish by testing control. Send a minimal transaction to a secondary address to confirm signing works and that funds move correctly. After a successful test, export the encrypted key file or record the private key on paper and store it securely, because this key is the only way into that account. Make sure auto lock is enabled on the app and avoid pasting the key into web pages. Troubleshooting tip: if import fails, check the key format, remove or add the 0x prefix, and ensure exactly 64 hex characters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.